Hey guys, it's Max and I'm back with another video. This one is going to be my dog Howling. His name is Harry. Here, let me go and get him. He's right over here. Oh. And this is Harry, my dog. He's a cockapoo, cock spaniel and poodle mix, you know. Here he is rolling. He's on the ground, you know. Here, give you a better look. Oh, Harry. Oh, yeah. And Harry likes to howl. So, let's do it. Huh, Harry. I call you Howling Harry, huh, boy? How about Howling Harry? That's a pretty cool name, huh? Yeah. There. Oh boy. Oh boy, you're an awesome dog. Well, that's all for today, guys, and see you next time.